Hey there, piano enthusiast. I'm Piano AccoMan, your musical guide to fun, easy, and inspiring piano tutorials right here on YouTube. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you. I'm officially launching channel memberships. That means you can now become part of the Piano AccoMan community and unlock some amazing perks created just for learners, fans, and supporters like you. Your support helps keep the music going and gives me the chance to bring you even more quality content, creative lessons, and interactive learning. And in return, you'll get access to all kinds of exclusive benefits. As a member, you can get early access to brand new tutorials, printable sheet music and practice PDFs, MP3 play-alongs to help you stay on tempo monthly polls where you choose the next songs, priority comment replies, discounts on piano, AccoMan merch, and even custom shoutouts and bonus content. There are 3 fun membership tiers: Practice Partner for steady learners, Treble Team for extra practice tools, Harmonic Hero Club for the ultimate superfans. Each tier builds on the last and gives you more value, more music, and more fun. So, if you love playing piano, want to support the channel, and are ready to take your musical journey to the next level, just click the join button below. Let's make music together, one note at a time. I'm Piano AccoMan, and you're right on time.